This is the first speaking video that I'm shooting that is unscripted. This might make a lot of people uncomfortable, and if it does, then I actually judge you. I'm slightly riled up today because I just got my period. This time, my cycle was heavily delayed, and for some people, that might just be good because gives you a few extra period free days in the month. But mine was delayed, and the frustrating part is it didn't save me from any of the PMSing. I was supposed to get my period last week, but it got delayed. So before that, I've already been getting symptoms, and I got like an additional week of symptoms that my actual period week was supposed to be getting, and I'm going to be getting another week of it while I actually go through it. So last whole week I've been getting these teaser cramps, and my energy levels have been fluctuating. My emotional state has been all over the place. There is so much logistics that goes behind the scenes of a woman going through her period. You know how much can you really prepare for the date, because it actually shows up sometimes on the most unpredictable day, right? Sometimes you get it early, sometimes you get it late, and you can't really you there is nothing that makes you prepare for it, no matter how many apps you have that you're tracking your cycle and all of it, but it still shows up unexpected sometimes, 1 or 2 days, and nobody really talks about it. But there's so much cleaning and washing that goes on those days, and it's an additional task that is added to your daily chores. It's not something that you'd want to do right out of your way. It's just you have to do. You've grown up doing. You've normalized it, and there is no other choice but to embrace all of these things. It reminded me of this one dialogue from Fleabag, where her therapist talks about what it really is to be a woman. And if anybody has watched that show, then you would know exactly which scene I'm talking about. It genuinely made me go back to the time in school where there have been times where it doesn't even have to be a close female friend, but just a female classmate. Suddenly you have this bonding with that person. It's not even a close friend, it's not even a classmate that you talk to very often, but you've gone to class and you're like heavily cramping and you're in pain, and you're visibly exhausted, you look drained out. This classmate of yours is just sitting there and like, are you okay? And you're like, I'm on my period. And that person just gets it. That person just gets it. You don't even have to like over explain yourself. You don't have to like justify your reaction. You don't have to like react and then in retrospect think that, oh, did I make a big deal out of it? None of that. None of that. It's such a comforting feeling to just be understood on these days. It makes me feel very safe. I've seen my friends also like cry and sob on those days. I've seen girls like curling up in pain and all of that. It might seem really absurd if you don't know what's going on, but if like if you go and check upon that person and she tells you that I'm on my period, then I have never done it and I've never seen any other girl do it. I have never questioned it. Suddenly, you're universally connected. For so many years, you don't even talk to this person, but the moment you know that she's going through her periods, then you just know. You just get it. It is one of the best feelings to not having to prove why you're having a hard time. It's something very special to have to not have to build a case around your discomfort. And we're not making this shit up because yeah, like I don't want to be feeling in retrospect that I was like making it up. After this whole week, I think I just wanted to come here and say that I'm really grateful because honestly, and it is nobody else's fault, but nobody understands a woman going through a period better than another woman. I'm really, really grateful for being one and also having um incredible women around me. There wasn't really a point to this video, but I just wanted to come here and vent, I guess, which I clearly did. But maybe if you're going through something similar every month, then I really hope you have someone who makes it slightly easier for you.